Mackenzie Paddock.
And I'm Savannah Southam. And we are juniors at Durham High School. We play volleyball and basketball, and we're going to be going to the section championship game on Friday.
We're playing Mount Shasta.
We'll be going for a 4-peat at 6 o'clock at Butte. Be there.
We have several banners up in the gym right now, and it'd be cool to get another one up there and fill out the gym, hopefully with more. Even though we've gotten this far in basketball, grades are my #1 priority.
My dad, my parents have always pushed me to get good grades. Like, that's what matters over everything.
They're what's going to take me far in life. I have a 4.0 GPA.
And I have a 3.8 GPA.
My favorite subject would be English because of the teacher. He makes the class really fun. But I do enjoy grammar because I don't want to sound stupid when I talk.
My favorite subject is probably Spanish because I really like the cultural aspect of it. We get to learn a lot of stuff about different cultures and different places, but then I also like learning the new language.
I'm kind of interested in teaching, not high school level, but little kids like elementary or kindergarten.
We're both members of Interact, CSF, and Girls Block.
We work at the Harvest Festival every year.
I think it's very important to do community service because, especially in Durham, you have a little town and it just really helps support the whole community and makes everyone come together. Well, we've been best friends since kindergarten. Her dad has coached us in Upward and AAU teams for over like 5-6 years. He's coached us in intermediate school, and we've always played basketball together, and I guess it made our bond stronger.
She's definitely a person I can count on. Like, I feel like I can tell her anything, and she's always got my back on and off the court.